Deciding what to buy in the new year depends on your personal preferences, needs, and goals. Here are some general suggestions for things you might consider. Fitness equipment. If you're planning to get in shape or maintain a healthy lifestyle in the coming year, investing in fitness equipment such as dumbbells, resistance bands, or a home exercise machine could be a good idea. Books. If you enjoy reading, consider purchasing books that align with your interests or goals. Whether it's fiction, non-fiction, or self-help, there's a vast array of options to choose from. Cookware or kitchen gadgets. Upgrade your kitchen with new cookware, utensils, or gadgets. This can make cooking more enjoyable and might encourage you to try new recipes. Tech gadgets. Keep an eye out for the latest technology gadgets or upgrades, such as smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, or other devices that align with your interests or needs. Travel gear. If you're planning to travel in the coming year, investing in quality travel gear like luggage, backpacks, or travel accessories can be a practical choice. Hobbies and activities. Consider items related to your hobbies or activities. Whether it's art supplies, musical instruments, sports equipment, or outdoor gear, buying things that enhance your leisure time can be fulfilling. Courses or workshops. Invest in your personal or professional development by enrolling in courses or workshops that align with your interests or career goals. Home decor or furniture. Refresh your living space by adding new furniture or updating your home decor. This could include anything from new bedding to a statement piece of furniture. Subscription services. Consider subscribing to services that align with your interests, such as streaming platforms, magazines, or subscription boxes for hobbies like fitness, beauty, or books. Investments. If you have the means and are interested in financial planning, consider investing in stocks, mutual funds, or other investment opportunities to grow your wealth. Remember to prioritize your needs and budget when making purchasing decisions. Whether you're aiming for personal growth, relaxation, or simply upgrading your daily life, the key is to align your purchases with your goals and values.
Subscribe now. Buy anything before New Year.